Back the hell off! This isn't your fight! Jack, you're not taking this place!
Not a chance.
Get that out of your head. Then let's settle this the old-fashioned way. Pick anyone from your gym to fight me. If anyone can beat me, I'll walk away and leave you alone. Fine by me! I'll take you on myself!
Let's keep it simple. We play stand and take. You game?
Good! I'm gonna make you spit out your teeth!
Justin, be careful.
Just wait and see. Jack won't last a second against Justin's iron fists. Yeah! Looks like I go first.
Something's wrong. His raps.
How's that possible? Justin went down in just one punch? No way Jack's that strong.
See that, Lily? This is what a half-assed fighter looks like.
This loser thought he could fight me? Pathetic.
Jack, don't get too cocky. The fight's not over yet. Damn right. Come on, I'll take you on.
That's enough.
Daniel? What are you...
You've got plaster packed inside those wraps, don't you?
What? Plaster?
You've got plaster packed inside those wraps, don't you?
What? You loaded your wraps?
Jack, that's some dirty shit.
How did that janitor figure out there's something in my wraps?
What the hell was that? That's murder!
Bullshit. You got proof? You lost? Don't make excuses.
Deny it all you want. I'm still willing to spar with you. Come on, hit me. You want to fight me?
What? Man, have you lost your mind? Get out of here. You're just making it worse.
Daniel, get down! It's dangerous!
Trust me.
Go, Daniel, go!
You really want to take the punch? It might kill you. Jack, if you can make me move even half a step, you win.
You mocking me, motherfucker? You wanna die?
Oh no!
Oh my God.
He didn't move at all! Am I seeing things? How's this janitor still standing? Even Justin couldn't take that punch.
No way. That's impossible.
What the hell? His face is harder than plaster?
Daniel is the best!
Done?
Who the hell are you? Now it's my turn.
He just sent Jack flying? Holy hell. Did I really just see that?
That punch. Why does it look so familiar?
Stay away from Anna and Lily. Otherwise, next time, I won't hold back.
Damn it.
Pathetic.
You couldn't even beat a janitor.
Marcus? What are you doing here?
Oh, Anna, my dear niece. Don't be so hostile. Jack owes me $8 million. He's putting this gym up as collateral.
Jack, you bastard! You used my father's gym to cover your gambling debt?
Smart girl. I figured Jack could at least beat you all into submission and force you to sign the gym over to us. Turns out, he's completely useless.
Give me one more chance.
Get lost.
Drag this piece of trash out of here.
He's embarrassing me.
No, please. No, please. No. No, please, no.
Anna, we're family. It's only fair John's brother takes the gym. Don't you think?
Marcus, don't you dare say his name! I'd burn it all down before I give it to you!
So stubborn. Good thing I prepared a plan B.
Victor! You can come in now!
What the hell?
Victor.
You will pay for this.
Click the link below to watch the full video.